In our last video, we already discussed the color mixing system for the skin color and any color you want from only the 3 primary colors. Today we're going to paint the eye. This channel is all about how to make drawing and painting fun and easy. If you'd like to learn more about portrait drawing and painting, please subscribe and turn on notification. Let's first do a little drawing to see where we're going to place the eye. I only do the right eye. Okay, so this is the eyebrows, and then I'm going to put the eye right over here. It's almost like a triangle. So think a simple shape. Also include the shadow on the next to the eye, like this. And then from the triangle, after you know where you're gonna put it, and then you can develop a little bit more. Okay, this is the double eyelid, and this the eye, and this is, we can see the left side over here have a little triangle. So this is supposed to be the iris, and the iris is almost take over most of the open space. If you want to keep the iris this size, I need to move the corner of the eye a little bit more toward here. You don't have to draw all the details, just a little bit. You can do a little planning at this step, and then you will have it in mind. Okay, take a look at the lower eyelid from here to here. I think it's almost, not quite, but almost from here to up here. So you can see that you can make this lower like that. Always measure. And the eyebrows start over here. Take a look at the measurement of the eyebrows. It's interesting. This almost look like the height from the upper eyelid and to the bottom of the eye opening, but it's not quite the same. But from here to here, I think it's almost the same as from here to the top of the eyebrows. So that means I need to move it a little bit higher, like that. I think we have a good measurement. And take a look at, from the corner over here, measure the angle, right? The angle up here. So that means the beginning of the eyebrows start over here, like that. That's the big shape. Okay, this is good. Maybe also plan a little bit more of the highlight. There's 2 shapes for the highlight. One and the other one over here. Like that. So we're going to ping around and keep the highlight. Could be a little bit higher. That's good. Now let's start the watercolor painting. We're going to make a little bit more red, some yellow color. Don't worry about the color is clean or not, because the skin color we are getting has all the 3 primary colors. So this is good. I want to take this color mixed together. Now you can see it's very much close to the color we want, maybe a little bit red. Okay. Now just put it on. Think about big area. And when you are doing this, you also want to thinking about the light shapes. So I'm going to paint it all the way coming up here. That's okay. That's the color. And we're going to also put a color over here too. And that inside over here have a little bit more blue colors, but we're going to add that color a little more later. So have a little bit water up here, a little bit lighter. Okay. And your attention always start from a little bit bigger, okay, not smaller area. I'm going to adjust the yellow and the red, so make it look more as orange color. So take a look. And coming here, have a little bit yellow color. So I'm going to take the yellow color right over here, like that. I'm going to lift up this. Just clean the brush and lift it up. Here, take a look at what you need to be lift. This can lift up a little bit. Okay, just focus on what you try to do, what you try to accomplish in the first step. And the next step, we're going to build up the form. Okay, let's take a look. Come back to use this 1-inch flat brush again. I'm going to have a little bit more yellow color. And there's quite a bit of red color here already. So I'm going to take it a little bit blue, have some blue color in here, mix it. And now this color a little bit darker. Now I'm going to have a little bit more red color into it. So that's good. This color is darker color. Now I'm going to put it into the darker area, make it a little deeper. On this side, you also see much darker. I just used half of my flat brush. That's good. Put this color in here. Just use the brush the sideways, like that. I'm going to use a little yellow color. That's good. Touch the edge. Let's do some lifting. So I'm going to clean my brush. I'm going to have this a little bit softer. And now this can be a little bit softer, the edge over here. Okay. I'm going to put a little deeper color right over here. Like that. And now I'm going to change it a little bit lighter. Now I'm going to have that coming up here. That's good. With this color, I'm going to come into have a lot of suggestions for the eyebrows. You see the direction of the line. A little bit more blue color. And also set the color inside the eye. It actually not white, it's quite blue and gray blue color, pretty dark. And maybe I'm gonna just add the color into the iris area. That's okay. That connected in here. And the top over here, I'm gonna have this color too. Okay, soften that a little bit. Now I'm going to use this color, continue. It's always relate to the entire painting through the whole process. Now let's apply to the iris. Okay, and leave a little gap. Here you go, like that. Now I'm gonna mix a darker color, which is have the present blue, some more red, and this color is very deep. Okay, now I'm gonna start from the top over here. I'm gonna have it even darker. Okay. Here you go. There's not just shapes, it has connections. Between the shape is actually to form, create connections. Okay, now we're gonna come into the eyelashes. So I'm gonna take this color, start from a little lighter, and this brush is perfect for this. And let's see. Start from 1. It's curved. It's not really just straight. Okay. I come back to fine tune that later. Come a little curve like this. Okay, a little bit darker. It's good. I come here. You can start from lighter and get into a little bit darker. Okay, continue. A little bit alternate, a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna. That's good. Now coming to the lower eyelid. Okay. Really small. Look, think, observe, make the decision. Really small. Like that. Here you go. That's good. Now I'm going to have some even darker color and emphasize some area, some line. This line, for example, can be darker. Okay, this darker. That's good. Like that. And some can be a little bit longer. Okay. It looks nice. And the edge over here, I'm also gonna make the iris a little bit softer and also a little bit clear, like that. And we're going to have some texture. I'm going to come back with a little adjustment. Use this 1-inch flat brush. Just use the red color. I need to make this a little bit deeper. And on this side, soften this a little bit. On this side, I'm going to have just the red color. Just the red color. Here you go. Soften it. And also here, I need to light up the color a little bit. Okay, that's good. And also light up the color in this small area. That's good. Now in here, light up it a little bit. Let's see this light shape coming in over here. Do a little, this is considered final adjustment. Okay, this can be light up a little bit, like that. And then, on this side, I need to have some red color here too. Okay. I'm going to have a little bit orange color feeling right over here, like that. Now take a look at the top over here. Can have some yellow color mixed with this. Here you go. And connecting to the eyebrows. Then we just clean the area, make it softly blend together. In our next video, we're going to see how we can paint the nose with watercolor. This channel is all about how to make drawing and painting fun and easy. If you'd like to learn more about portrait drawing and painting, please subscribe and turn on notifications. If you can support us, join our Enjoying Art artist community. You can upload your drawing and painting. You can get feedback. I'm looking forward to see you in my next video.